Hey, this is John with Elite Pool Services, here to show off another one of our swimming pools. This is a Freeform Gunite swimming pool in Trussville, Alabama. Our phone number is 205-490-1385, 205-490-1385, and our website is elitepoolservices.com. This pool features this cool hot tub at ground level up by the house. They had a tiered yard, I should say a sloped yard, and so in order to overcome that we had to figure out some sort of retaining wall or something. So on this one we decided to drop the pool down below the upper deck with the hot tub, and that kind of holds back the dirt and just provided us a nice flat space to be able to put this pool in without doing any big retaining walls. We got this nice two-tone travertine deck. We've got the actual deck portion out here is an ivory travertine, and then this up here on the coping, that's a noche travertine. This is a French gray plaster. I love this plaster. It's very versatile because it's a cool color. Works in just about every single situation. I'm going to give you all a quick tour of the equipment on this pool. This pool has my favorite equipment set on it yet, because we use a special control system on here. Many of you who have a pool may be familiar with different control systems, such as the one by J&D, Pentair, and Hayward, but this one is called the Poolside Tech Attendant. This guy right here, very robust control system. It's got a great touchscreen here to be able to control and program everything. What I love about this system is how versatile it is. I am able to run our chemical automation system, so that's the feeder for the acid. That's the mixer where the water is tested. For the two things on top of the black wires, those are the probes that test the water for the chlorine or the ORP, which tells us how effective the water is at oxidizing things. We need more chlorine to have better oxidation. And then this here is our salt system. That's what we use to put chlorine in the pool. And then we have lots of sensors. You see all the wires running around on this one? Lots of sensors and stuff on this pool because I've set this one up so that wherever the water is going, the system will tell us. So I always know, based on these flow sensors, how the water is flowing through this pool. So if anybody ever calls me with an issue and says, hey, I'm having a problem, the pool won't heat, I can look in the app and make sure that their system is set up properly and everything is running the way it's supposed to. So it also has cool temperature probes on here. I have two on this system, one before and one after the heater, so that again, you have an issue with your heat, I can tell if it's actually heating or not. We have a flow sensor on here, or flow meter on here, to tell us what the flow to the hot tub is, to make sure we have proper flow to all of our jets. Yeah, and then our standard equipment, we have our variable speed pump, cartridge filter, gas heater, and this is the acid tank. This is where we would hold all the acid that the system would feed to lower that pH, because in salt systems, your pH will raise as it adds chlorine. Also, when you have a water feature like this, then as it aerates the water, it will raise your pH as well. Anyway, this is John with Elite Pool Services. If you like this pool or one of the other ones that we have on our website, just give us a call and we'd love to come put one in. It's elitepoolservices.com, and our phone number is 205-490-1385.